Hello.
Once again, thank you so much, Mom Merceline. Next in line, let's have Mama Ledwina.
Ay, hilak mother. Nakaihin. Hello, mother. Mama, happy birthday. Okay. Ay, naghilak. I love you. And then, nana sila yung nag-love ni mo, kabawa mo ka no?
Sharif! Sharif!
Oo, oo.
Ano na?
I love you so much, Mama. Kabawa mo chuk ka nga.
Lunch ba?
Through thick and thin, okay?
Soft lunch!
I will be here. Makatata ko I will be here. I want
Okay,
I love you so
kids.
much, Mama. I love you so much. I love you so much.
Wow, thank you so much, kids. Later on, kids, ma-play
Thank you
pa.
very much!
And next, ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed to Mr. Mamerto Jr.
Salamat sa Ginoo mo sa birthday ni mo. Ikaw sinta. So much yung pagkakalo. Salamat sa Ginoo ako lang sa ultima. Salamat sa Diyos.
Yes, exactly. No, pasalamat dyan sa Ginoo. Nagaging salamat, sir. Sir Mamerto Jr. And next, and then let's have Sir Colleen.
Happy birthday, ma. I love you. Salamat.
Egg. Oh, diba? Thank you so much. Please stand by. And next, and then let's proceed to Manasseh. Sir Manasseh.
Ma, happy birthday. Kaya ba mo po nag-relax, mama? Kaya huwag mo nakadimaw kanta kayo, ma. Kaya huwag mo kumapagpis. Kaya ba mo gusto yung relax, ma? I love you, ma. Happy birthday.
Wow. Thank you so much, Sir Manasseh. And our last but not the least, ang pinakabata sa tanan, Annie Rose.
Let's go, Mommy!
Hello, Mom. Mom. Happy birthday. Love you so much. Thank you so much sa imong pag-among mo ng tanan. Pag-love mo unconditionally. Namang tanan gyud, grabe. Ikaw pinaka-best mom in the whole universe, whole world. Thank you so much for being a loving mom, and basta supportive kaayo ng mong tanan. Thank you so much. Di mi mo maingani karon, di mi wan tungod nimo ni papatuto. So thank you very much. Happy birthday.
Wow. Thank you so much, the youngest daughter of Mom. Daghang kayong salamat. And now at this moment, ladies and gentlemen,